Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's see how to make Chettinad style fish curry. First, let's prepare the masala paste for the curry. Place a pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Add 15 to 20 small onions and saute it. Then add 10 to 15 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of jeera and saute for a minute. Now add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes and saute it till the tomatoes gets cooked. Then add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder and salt to taste. Saute it till the masalas gets fully cooked. Then add half cup of grated coconut and saute it. Finally, add few curry leaves and saute it for a minute, then switch off the flame. Allow it to cool completely, then grind it into a fine paste. Add little water while grinding. Now for preparing the curry, place a pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Once the oil gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, let it splatter, then add 4 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now add 4 to 5 chopped small onions, add 10 garlic cloves, few curry leaves and saute it. Now add the ground masala to this and cook it for few minutes. Add tamarind extract of 1 lime-sized tamarind and let it simmer till the oil separates. Once the curry is fully cooked and the oil separates, add any fish of your choice one by one. Here I am adding 300 grams of red snapper. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes for the fish to get cooked. Finally, add few chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Chettinad fish curry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.